Use Garrdal to seal around pipes with obstacles that prevent a standard pipe boot from being used. Garrdal is sold with ribs that accommodate 1 to 5 3/8 inch pipes. The UV-resistant TPE collar needs trimmed to a rib diameter smaller than the pipe. Push the lower part of Garrdal against the pipe so the collar is snug. Structural support to keep the collar against the pipe is provided by the UV-resistant rigid copolymer base. Fasten as illustrated on the parts or according to local code. We want to seal the lower and upper Garrdal pieces together and make them into a one-piece watertight seal. Apply sealant along the dots on the collar and across the base of the lower Garrdal piece. There is 7 inches of overlap, but driving rain and bugs need sealed out. The upper collar needs trimmed in a similar fashion as the lower collar. Push the upper or ridge part of Garrdal snugly against the pipe and onto the sealant. Keep the collar against the pipe by fastening the part to the roof deck as labeled on the part or according to local code. Now you can treat the flashed pipe as any other penetration, seal assist, and shingle as usual.